Hello students and welcome to this channel पोद्दार स्कूल ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स। आज हम लोग इस नए सेशन में बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट, बहुत ही यूज़फुल और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक को एक्सप्लेन करेंगे और इसको समझेंगे। और वो टॉपिक है सर्कल के टर्म्स को स्टडी करने के क्रम में अब हम लोग समझते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ सीकेंट ऑफ ए सर्कल एंड टेंजेंट टू ए सर्कल। कोई भी स्ट्रेट लाइन किसी पर्टिकुलर सर्कल को दो पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट करते हुए गुजरे तो उस स्ट्रेट लाइन को इस सर्कल का सीकेंट बोलते हैं। दिस लाइन इज द सीकेंट ऑफ दिस सर्कल because this line is intersecting at two different points A and B. So a line or a straight line intersecting any 2 points of a circle is called secant of a circle or this circle. So this line is also secant of a circle intersecting at the points C and D. This is also secant of this circle intersecting the point E and F. So we are seeing that when the line is standing outside the circle, then the points of intersection are being close together. So here GH is more closer in respect to E and F. And one situation comes when both the lines are coinciding to each other and the line is just touching the circle at the point P. So when the line, it is not line segment, keep in mind, this is a line or a straight line. So when the line touches the circle at the particular point P, then this line is called tangent to the circle. So I think it is clear when the line, अगर कोई लाइन किसी सर्कल को किसी दो पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट करते हुए गुजर जाए, पास कर जाए, तो उस लाइन का नाम है सीकेंट ऑफ दिस सर्कल। और ये स्ट्रेट लाइन इस सर्कल का सीकेंट है। ऐसा नहीं है कि स्ट्रेट लाइन किसी भी सर्कल का सीकेंट होगा, क्योंकि ये स्ट्रेट लाइन इस सर्कल को किसी दो पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है, इसलिए इसी सर्कल का ये सीकेंट है। आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर व्हाट इज सीकेंट ऑफ ए सर्कल and what is tangent to the circle. अब हम लोग डिफाइन करेंगे secant of a circle and tangent to a circle. A line which intersects a circle in two distinct points, that is called secant of a circle. Here L is the secant of a circle because L is intersecting the circle at two different points. M is also secant of this circle intersecting at two different points. But the line N is just touching the circle at the point P. Therefore, the line N is called tangent to this circle. So, tangent to a circle is a line meeting a circle only in one point. I think it is clear. So this line of red color is the tangent to this circle because this line intersecting the circle at the point P. Here P is the point of contact. The point of contact is the point at which the tangent line intersects the circle. I think it is clear what is secant of a circle and tangent to the circle. Now see this figure. tangent to a circle? A line meeting a circle only in one point. You see this figure? There is no tangent passing through a point lying outside the circle. If you see the line L, the L is a line which is just outside the circle. So this line cannot be a tangent to this circle. There is one and only one tangent passing through a point lying on a circle. At the point T on the circle, only one tangent can be drawn. So L is not the tangent to the circle because L is neither intersecting nor touching the circle. The line M is the tangent to this circle because the line M is, so in this figure, M is the tangent to this circle. L is non-intersecting line. The line M is tangent to this circle at the point T. N is the secant of this circle. PQ is the chord of a circle, and since PQ is passing through the center, therefore PQ is also known as diameter of this circle because this is the longest chord. AB is the chord of this circle. So I think it is clear what is tangent to a circle. Now we start. So multiple choice questions. First question is, the set of all points equidistant from a fixed point in a plane is chord, circle, tangent and secant. Out of these four, which one is correct? This is the definition of a circle. The set of all points equidistant from a fixed point in a plane is a circle, though the correct answer of this question is circle. Question number 2, the tangents drawn at the extremities of the diameter of a circle are. In this figure, there are two diameters drawn through their extremities and both will be parallel to each other. So correct answer of this question is parallel. The tangents drawn at the extremities of the diameter of a circle are parallel. Now come to question number 3. The number of tangents drawn at a point of a circle is. You know very well that one and only one tangent can be drawn through a point of a circle. So the answer is 1. The common point, question number 4, the common point of a tangent to a circle with the circle is called. What is the common point? The common point is point of contact. So out of these 4 choices, the correct answer is point of contact. Question number 5, a line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called a secant of the circle. We know this thing. Question number 6, a circle can have how many parallel tangents at the most? Only 2 parallel tangents can be drawn in one circle. So the answer of this question is 2. Last question is, the largest chord of a circle, you know very well, that is diameter of the circle. So the largest chord is passing through the center and that chord is also known as diameter of the circle. So in this way we can solve multiple choice questions. Thank you very much. You